Good morning. Today we discuss how to generate digital signals using NI Elvis 2 Plus. Right now in the market NI Elvis 3 is available, which is developed by National Instruments. It has more advanced features than NI Elvis 2 Plus. Okay, so right now we have NI Elvis 2 Plus. So using this we can generate digital signals. So for that purpose, first we go to the hardware part. Over here these are the digital ports available on the NI Elvis 2 Plus. So number of digital ports are right now DIO 0 to DIO 23. Okay, so total 24 ports are available, digital ports are available. We can use as a input and as a output both. And also on the Elvis board we have 7 LEDs, onboard LEDs available. So first you have to just connect, like over here I just connect the over here, this is this one. So 20 DI23 I just connect to the LED 35. So this is not 23, this is 23. Okay, so now I just connect another LED, so it is connected to LED 1. So this is how we connect. Right now I just connect only 2 LEDs, and now just go to on the instrument launcher, NI Elvis instrument launcher, and just go to the digital writer. Over here you can use this function to generate digital signals. So over here we have these available parts. So over here you can select which one. So right now 16 to 23 is connected, and the 23 and 22 is connected on the hardware. So when I run it, as you see right now all the LEDs off. So when I hit on 22, the LED 2 or you can say LED 1 is on, and when I hit on 23, the LED 23 is also on. So you can connect all the 7s using these. So just connect it. As you see right now 4 are connected, now 5 are connected, now 6 LEDs are connected. So over here, and this is the last 7th. The length of this is small, so I can connect this over here and this over here. So right now 16 to 23 all the digital LEDs are connected. So right now when I hit on these buttons using this, you can on all the onboard LEDs, or you can off all the onboard LEDs. So using this you can generate any digital signal. Right now I am generating a 8-bit digital signal using this. Okay, so this is how you can generate digital signal using NI Elvis board. Thank you.